Happy holidays! Welcome to my channel, Wailani Creations. My name is Wendy and today we'll learn how to make these Christmas tree earrings. This is the vintage tree, the Grinch tree, and the modern tree. To make the earrings, we will need a round nose plier, a wire cutter, and a chain nose plier. 1.5 inches of 18 gauge half hard wire, 3 pieces of 28 gauge wire that are each 8 inches long, 2 4mm brown crystals, 3 4mm green crystals, a star bead, a 2mm green crystal, but this is optional. For this tutorial, we will use the vintage Christmas mix from the Bead Mix company. They are a local small business. You can find a link to their website in the descriptions and also a 10% off discount code for your first purchase. We will start by gluing the brown crystals to the 18 gauge wire. Dip the tip of the 18 gauge wire into the glue, try not to get too much. Put the wire through the brown crystal and then add the second brown crystal. I leave it on a case like this to let it dry. Glue I have is white when it dries. Normally I don't like it like this, but since I'm making a Christmas tree, I'm okay with the white because it looks kind of like snow. I'm going to put my vintage mix beads on a cloth so that it's easier to put them through the wire. Take one of the 28 gauge wires you have prepared and put 11 beads through it. Since we are making a Christmas tree, I tried to choose mostly green with a little mix of other colors. So here we have added 11 beads. Now bend the wire together so that there are 5 beads on each side and 1 in the middle. Twist the wires together to lock in the beads and create a leaf shape, pushing down with this finger to make it easier to twist the wire. Though I have a little too much twisted here, so I'm going to undo a little bit of it. You want to have just a little bit of wire twisted. Now repeat the steps by adding 11 beads and then twisting the wires together. You want to create 5 leaves. I call them leaves, but you can also think of them as branches for the tree. I tried to twist the wire as close as possible because after we create all 5 leaves, it will form a circle, which we will then put the circle through the 18 gauge wire. So if it is too big and too loose, it won't fit through the wire correctly. So you see here just a little bit of space between the 2 leaves, but not too much. Now we will repeat the steps to create the 3rd, 4th, and 5th leaf. This creates the first layer of the tree. We'll create 2 more layers of the tree, each layer being slightly smaller. Here are the 3 layers that we have created. First layer is with 11 beads, second layer is with 9 beads, and the 3rd layer is with 7 beads. Now we twist the 2 wires together and cut off extras. Next, we will add all the layers to the tree. Start by adding a green crystal to the 18 gauge wire right above the brown crystals. Next, add the biggest layer, the one with the 11 seed beads per leaf, to the tree. Add another green crystal and then the second layer of the tree, the one with 9 seed beads per leaf. Next, add another green crystal and then the last layer, the one with 7 seed beads per leaf. This is a 2mm green crystal. It's optional. You can add it to the top to make the tree more pointy, or you can just add the star. Now we can create a loop here to add the earring hook to it. We will place the edge of the wire on a round nose plier and then turning it all the way, forming a full circle, and then bending the wire backwards slightly to make the circle more round. Now we can massage and adjust the branches. Last step is to use a chain nose plier to open up the loop to add an earring hook and then close the loop. Best thing about this tree is that the branches can actually move and you can rotate them. Alright, we are at the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked how these earrings turned out. If you want to learn to make more Christmas tree earrings, I have other tutorials on my channel, so please go and check them out. Enjoy your holidays and I will see you next time. Bye!